Hey everybody, back with another video here. I ended up buying me a blade balancer, and this one's way better than what I was using. What I was using before was this old cone style. I got a few of these. They just set on top of that little point there, and it moves around. The issue I'm having with these is they don't fit a lot of the blades, especially when you start getting into the stars and all that on them. They just don't line up good, so you can't get a blade balanced accurately with one of these. So I broke down and finally spent 90 some dollars on this one. I wanted to get the name brand one, but it was like 200 bucks, and I could not see spending that much for it. The only difference I seen in them was instead of the magnets being like these are, it just had one complete round one on it. But I think on these here it'd probably be better because you can change these out separately, which would be a lot better in my opinion. And it's got the piece on it here, which they both do, the name brand and this one, to check the blades to see if they're out of balance. And all you do is loosen this up over here and it'll let this slide up and down, and you can rotate it back and forth. But another thing I want to show you guys on these here blades, even though they're brand new, I found that they're out of balance. So we'll put this one up here. We'll take a look at it. Which the brand of this is a Copperhead, and these came from my supplier that I get them from. And being a brand new blade, it should be balanced. But as you can see, it's out of balance a little that way. You turn it to this side and it does it too. So if you get a new blade, always check if you have a way to check them to make sure they're balanced accurately. Here's another one. It's a Poulan Pro brand, and I got this from Rural King. This one's really bad. So if you put this on a mower, and you're going to have a lot of vibration probably, and you'll wonder why. Be like, I just put a new blade on it, it shouldn't be that. So you'd think the issue was something else, but it would most likely be this blade. It's way out of balance. So you'd have to, whatever side's dropping down there, you'd have to take a grinder and grind some off, either on this part or on the edge here a little bit. I got an old blade here off a mower that I got in, and we'll see on that. I haven't sharpened this one or anything, so and that one's out of balance too, which I'd never leave a mower or leave my shop with a blade unbalanced like these are. And if you wanted to check the back of it to see if they're bent, you just move this out and have it on the back of it there, right on the edge. and just leave a little air gap in between it, not much. And you turn it around to the other side, and that side hits a little bit, so it is bent just a little, but it's not real bad. That little bit you could get away with because it's just maybe a 1/16 of an inch, so it's not much at all. But back to this here, it is a Tecomec, and the part number is 05800000, and I'll put a link down below where you can get these from. But I really like it. It's going to help me out a lot in my shop. I'll be able to do a better job with this, and I did the other balancers. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.